Hi guys, welcome back to Gardening with Creations by DX & Co. Now that we have our greenhouse actually built, we are looking to make some modifications for the things that we have in it. And today I wanted to show you what I'm doing to elevate my City Pickers garden beds, which I have shown you guys the City Pickers in the past and some accessories. But just let me show you this simple design that I'm doing to get it elevated and off the ground. Let's get started. So as you can see here, this is the City Picker with the drainage pipe, and I've just gone ahead and elevated it by putting it up on this stand here. And that's what we're going to cover today. It's a very simple design, and it probably doesn't even really need a video, but I figured I have to build one more here for this one, and I'd show you how I built it. Now, I built this one out of scrap 2x4s from a previous elevated raised bed. You absolutely can get fresh wood if you wanted to. Entirely up to you. So once we have all of our boards cut there, we actually need to put them together. I'm using 2.5-inch deck screws. I just find that they work very well as far as being reusable, and they don't rot out, they don't rust out. So we're going to start with our 26-inch piece for our leg, and then we're going to put together with our cross supports. Now our cross supports are the 17-inch cuts that we did. So we're just going to go ahead and screw that in. Now I'm keeping it flush with the top as well as the outside there, so that way I can make sure that my boards are square. Just going to go ahead and put 2 screws in there. I grab another one of my legs, number 17. I'm just using scrap wood. If you use fresh wood, that's fine too. Depends on how, if you want to paint them first and make them look all fancy, you can do that too. All right, so there's our first leg. I'm going to go ahead and set this one aside and do the next leg. All right, so pretty simple process. Both of our left and right side are done. So now we're going to connect them together with this brace. Now I want this support to be in the inside, just adding a little bit extra support. All of my weight's going to be distributed down through my actual leg itself, but I'm going to put it on here just like this, line it up, and you can screw through either one of these boards. I'm actually screwing through the actual leg itself. Then you want to line it up flush with that outside and this edge here. Well, there we go, we got one on. We're going to take our other side here. Again, this board on the inside. There we go. So now we're going to take our next one here. Same thing. Okay, so we could go ahead and set the thing on here now, and we'd probably be fine, but we don't want to do that. We want to add just that extra bit of middle support there. Completely, you could add 2 of them in there if you feel a little bit more comfortable. As you can probably see from the other one over there, it's actually not touching it. I just did that for a little bit of bowing weight. Most of these, all this way that this is designed is that the 4 corners, just like a fish tank, are designed to support that weight. So for this, that's why it has caster wheels that it comes with, or if you look at the risers that you can purchase for these, they are designed for the 4 corners for the weight distribution. But I'm adding it just in case stuff happens, right? And it helps support the secure up the wood, the legs. So next it's just a matter of deciding where you actually want your stand. I'm thinking I'm going to put mine right next to the other one. Even though my ground is a little bit uneven there, guys, trust me, it's not the stand we just built, it is the ground. Hand lifting it up. Oh, because it is quite heavy, especially full of water. And you can see now, especially even with the uneven ground, it's nice and sturdy. So there you go, folks, a very simple design, and I hope you guys like it. Feel free to comment down on some tweaks that you make or how you would improve upon it. Everybody on the channel learns from each other, and I think that's just awesome. But these are going to work out perfectly for us here, and I can garden. I can get some greens for the bearded dragon in here. I can get some radishes. I might even get a couple more of these to kind of finish out this area here, and I'm excited about it. So I think it's awesome, and I don't have to bend down to deal with it. I can fill up the water and not worry about having to water it because it's that self-wicking, so I can just fill it up and not have to worry about these for a few days and get some lush greens in here. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and as always, I hope you guys are staying safe and enjoying your gardens. Thanks for watching.